friend is a rich friend PG, the one PG. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this wonderful half up, half down dreadlocks with all these beautiful design. Without further ado, let's go. You're going to be needing whichever hair you want. As for me, I got this long false lock, which is 36-inch crochet hook, rubber band, comb, brush, and your fussy hair. So here it is, you know, it's looking fantabulous. This hair, y'all, you have no idea. Okay, so the hairstyle I'm going for half up, half down, because why not, right? We're gonna part the hair from ear to ear. Okay, so here we are at. Here it is. So I'm gonna part it in the middle. With this part right here, you have to make sure your part is as clean as it can be because it's the front row. Like your hair have to look nice. So with the braiding process, if you do not know how to braid, I'm sorry, but if you watch this slowly and rewind it and practice, you're gonna learn how to braid. If you don't know how to braid, I suggest you just do like a single braid instead of trying to braid to the scalp, because this is a very hard one. If you guys want like a detailed video on how to braid, let me know, because your girls got you. I really don't know if I should be doing like a voiceover, because I feel like everything here is self-explanatory, so I don't want to bore you guys with my voice, or just what's that word, man? So the word I was looking for was hypnotize. Yep, I don't want to hypnotize you with my voice, because you know it's so amusing. People love listening to it. I'm crazy. Oh Lord. But since you know, you can do this hair without me having to explain it, I've decided to talk to you girls, guys, sis, bro. How are you doing today? I hope everything is well. I hope you're fine. Have you eaten? Did you take a shower today? No, really. Leave a comment in the comment section. As for me, today is November 10th. It's 4:25 p.m. I'm waiting for 5:30 to go pick my daughter up, my oldest, from basketball practice. So I've decided to finish this video. I've had this video in this laptop for over a week now, trying to manage being a single mom and also a YouTuber, everything together. But yeah, I'm just gonna talk to you like I talk to my friend, because yeah, my second oldest daughter started acting in her school. Of course, her play is when tomorrow the 11th and Friday the 12th. So we are so excited to go watch her, you know, act for the first time. And if you're watching this, Bianca, I'm very proud of you. I know I don't say a lot, and all of you girls, I'm proud of you girls. You guys have helped me in a lot of ways that you guys, you know, don't know, especially being the type of person I am, the type of mom I am, is because of you girls and I just want to say thank you. And if you're watching this video, you have a child, you have a mother, you have a sister, you have a not, talk to in a while, pick up the phone and call them. You have a friend that you and them have fallen out. If you are wrong, call them. If not, live your life, sis. Live your life. Yeah, call, hug your family member, let them know that everything, is okay. Tell them you love them because, life is short. Life is very short. So, yeah, I'm just going to leave you guys with some music. Let me know if you like this, if you want me to do this often. Okay, you guys, so here we are. So what I'm gonna do now is braid this back, and we're gonna go from there. Okay. Okay, I'm reloaded. See, this is the single braid I was talking about at the beginning. Like, just braid your hair like that and cross it over, and you can have the same style. Maybe I'll do like a style to show you guys on what you can do with just single braids, just single braiding your hair like that without having to suffocate on how to braid on your scalp. This is legit a hairstyle. You gotta do it very neatly if you want to keep it as a hairstyle. Now it's time to do the crochet part. Okay, we're gonna do the first one together. This crochet part is very important. Like, loop the crochet under your hair in the middle between your braids, because if you loop it on one side, your hair is gonna be one-sided and it might likely break your natural hair. So make sure it's even out and then pull it through. After putting it through, you gotta put your crochet hook into your fake crochet hair right down the middle. Scoop it all the way down to where your hair is, and then hook it through the crochet hook and put it through between the fake crochet hair. Repeat the process until your real hair is all the way in the fake crochet hair, making it one single braid. Just like that. See, ta-da, one braid. Okay, you guys, so this is day 3. This is day 3 of me trying to do this hair. That's why I keep changing clothes. I have few left. Anyways, here's what I have left. I had to go get another pack because I ran out. So since my hair been dry for quite a while now, I like to put hair cream on my hair because I don't want it to be all puffy up. Comb it, braid it a little bit. Hey, if this is your first time stopping by on this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is PG. I do everything natural hair, fashion, beauty, lifestyle. If you're a 4C hair sister, this is your channel. If you're not, but you know someone with 4C hair, this is also your channel. If you don't know someone with 4C hair, but you know someone who knows someone who knows someone with 4C hair, this is also your channel. I'm telling you, sis, thank you, and please subscribe, turn on your post notification bells. Welcome, relax, you're part of our rich crew. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Subscribe and follow me on my social. If you do have socials, If you do not, it's okay. Just subscribe. Okay? Sis, look at this. Do you see me? This is what it's looking. This is it. I like it. Before I go further, it has been 1 week since I've done it. Well, 1 week, 3 days since I've done it, and this is what it's looking like. I've gotten a lot of compliments. This girl is so talented. Like, I cannot talent. But yeah, this is how it's looking like. I hope you learned something from it. Thank you for, you know, subscribing and be my friend. My rich friend, of course, because we are rich over here, and that's on period. Nobody's gonna tell us anyhow. That was a little aggressive, but sorry. Yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time I post. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you're not poor. You're just broke. Peace.